Hi all, welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield, but I can hear a funeral procession going on. I can hear bagpipes down by the crematorium. Let's see if I can get round and have a look at it. Don't know what's coming across with the wind. The car's already in, the pipes are stopped. Okay. Okay, so it was a funeral procession anyway. Oh, bloody hell, miles away from the park, the ground now. So after yesterday's announcement from the club and various outlets regarding the upper tier, we can crack on with looking at the build now, so that's what I'm going to concentrate on. It's cold and windy today, very. I can hear stuff going on, I'm just trying to pinpoint it. Sounds like it's inside, if I'm being honest. Yeah, that crane's not on site today, which I didn't think it would with it being windy and rainy, but you can see the walls coming on a bit now. It's higher than it was. Okay, that's looking good. Right, people are letting me know what do you want to see as well. So more please guys, let me know what you all want to look at. Very windy. Not getting any warnings on my screen though, so the drone must be holding its own up there. You can hear it battling the winds. It's just going to drain the battery a bit more, that's the only thing. Oh, there we go. Got that eventually. Not what's going on down there. So I'm starting a new channel, so I'm going to keep this football related because I do want to move on to other things like history and haunted locations and stuff, but it doesn't seem popular with a lot of people on this channel, so I'm going to start a new channel. So it's going to be called KC Hauntings and History. Okay, there'll be a description at the end, well, there'll be a link to it at the end, and I'll put the link in the description as well. So anyone who wants to follow that page, they can, or subscribe to that, they can. Follow what I'm doing on there. I'm getting right above the cop and then I'll turn around. Let me come around here. I'll back up and I'll have a look. The wind in my still nothing down there, and no change in the seats by the looks of it, but there's a guy on the edge there, so let's have a quick look at him, then I'm going to come back around over the park. Seats being taken out there, I wonder why that's happened. Strange. Why taking them seats out? So I'm going to bring it back around, guys. It's just a bit windy. I just want to be safe with the drone, that's all. I can get it lower and have more. It's the higher you get, the windier it is, if you like. Yeah, so just also get me bearings on the build again rather than concentrating when it's going to open now, because we all know it's not going to happen anytime soon, so we can crack on with looking at the builds. What are these doing over here? Don't know. A little bit of cladding or something, that's on it. That's carrying. Yeah, I don't know. Or a bit of plastic. Not keeping rain off the edge because it's not raining, it's just windy. I can imagine they're getting blown everywhere though. Yeah, it's going to be a short, quiet one this today, guys, after the excitement of the last few days. Got that digger there. It'd be good to see this road coming on now. I'd like to see that coming on more. Get a look at how it's going to look when it's finished. Got some chaps up here. No, we haven't. We've got a generator up there. Again, it's the worst thing about looking on a small screen. Just not ideal. Yeah, it's not much to look at, guys, today. Yeah. I think the weather's going to put a dampener on things today, and that's I think that's why the Vale back on saying when it's going to open. You know, we're getting into winter again now, so weather's going to play a big part in this build again. That's why they probably wanted it done for the summer, so they didn't have to go through all this again. But yeah, one of them things. That pavement looks good, doesn't it? Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. So, started a new channel. I think I've got 1 subscriber, that's a family member. KC Hauntings and History. That's gonna. So I'm gonna keep this predominantly football, Liverpool, match day vlogs, and anything else football related, really. I'll get some Everton stuff in there for the Everton fans. Yeah, and I'll keep this that way inclined and this channel, and it'll stop not upsetting people, but stop things appearing on the timeline that they don't want to see. So yeah, if you want to see what else I'm doing, subscribe to that other channel. Need to get that to 1,000 to get it monetized, because the channels, the videos I'm putting on there are going to be. There's the drone going off again. I'm not going to be monetized. So yeah. Right, let's see if I can see this. Should be able to hear that clear on the microphone now. try and keep this as personal as I can, as I don't want to try and get people identified in there. I can't find the bands. Where are they? There they are. Wow, it's impressive, isn't it? Let me just get around this way a bit. That's great, that, isn't it? And there's the Aussie pipe major. Get all these in. That's cracking, that's brilliant, that. What send off. My condolences to the family, by the way, if anyone sees this. It's yeah, it's not a nice day, but what a send off they're getting there. Brilliant. Look at this. Absolutely outstanding, that. Come to a halt in a minute. Not every day you get to see this, even at the crematorium. It's not every day you get to see this, so yeah, it's nice to get on camera. It's a full-on band, isn't it? It's, you know, it's not just the lone piper that you normally see. There's a car going in, so yeah. Rest in peace, my friends. Marking time. Right, guys, I'll leave that there. I'll let them have their privacy now. Yeah, I'm taking it to next soldier, so yeah, I'll take my hat off to you. And what a send off you're getting. Right, guys, on that note, I'm going to leave that there. I'm not going to make this about me. I'll make it about the guy that's, or the person that's getting the send off. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there, guys. Yeah. Rest in peace.